Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to change username in Snapchat to using your smartphone. At first you open the Snapchat app. Now click your Snapchat profile on top corner. Now you can see setting option in right top corner. Click here. Now click the second option username. Now click on change username and click on continue. Clear the before username and type your username what you want to type and click the next button. Type your Snapchat password and click on confirm. The username will be changed.